How are you all? I hope so you all are fine. Now kids, in today's session I am going to introduce you butterfly kit. Now in today's session topic of butterfly is first aid kit. Kids, it helps you a lot, right? Ki what is the importance of butterfly kit, when we are supposed to use butterfly kit, in which injury we are supposed to use butterfly kit, right? हम कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं पे गिरते रहते हैं, राइट? समवेयर लाइक वी फायर बर्न, देन आफ्टर लाइक फ्रैक्चर, देन आफ्टर bruise, and then sometimes it also happens like snake bites and like that, right? So every treatment are of different types. In this session I am help you to explain regarding some kind of treatments at home only, right? Now kids, butterfly में first aid kit, right? What is the importance of first aid kit? Kids, we need to keep it at our home only, right? First aid kit एक ऐसी चीज है कि हमें घर पर ही रखनी चाहिए. And with this butterfly kit, it helps. I can say that कि आपको practically knowledge मिलेगा, right? So you are not at school. If you are at school, and then मैं आपको practical करवाने में भी I can help you out, right? But through this video, at least you getting to know कि when we are supposed to use first aid kit and importance of first aid kit, कि हमें घर पर ये रखनी ही चाहिए first aid kit, right? If you have a first aid kit at your home, then that is very good. If you don't have it, go and buy such normal things like bandage, gauze cloth, Dettol, Soframycin, right? So these kind of things you need to keep it at your home, and ऐसी जगह पे रखनी चाहिए कि instantly we can get that particular first aid box, right? So now kids, a first aid kit with the proper supplies can help to clean like the things like cuts हुआ है उसको हम proper से clean कर सकते हैं. Then after limit risk of infection का कम से कम risk हो जाता है when we are using first aid box on a proper time, right? Then after can and help an injury to heal such as sprain. Even it helps you to cure your sprain. Now kids, what is fire burn? What is fracture? What is bruise? What is snake bite or else any insect bite, right? That I am going to explain you through butterfly kit. Now kids, in this year me and Khushbu ma'am both are going to take butterfly, right? So this is the butterfly kit I am showing you. These are the butterfly kits. Here are just some kinds of Dettol, Soframycin, infection ना लगे उसकी cream. Then after here are the some other parts. Then through this I can explain you practically, okay? So now let's begin through practical butterfly kit.
Okay kids, so today we are going to learn about the first aid. First you should understand what is first aid. First aid means the treatment which is given at home before going to hospital. Suppose you have fallen down, you have a scratch, you got burns, or maybe you have a fracture, or sometimes insect bites. So depending on the things, we are giving the first aid at home. So here I am demonstrating the thing, right, which is related to the first aid, right? And this video is specially for our butterfly, right? Now kids, as you can see that I have kept certain things on the table, right? This is just a demo piece, okay? Now what kind of a things which we can use for the first aid? As you can see, I have a cotton which is unused. This is called gauze cloth, which means pato in Gujarati, right? You can see that it has a small holes like a mosquito net, right? It is a gauze cloth. Then there are certain creams, right? The first one is Dettol liquid. That means the first one is Dettol liquid. Whenever you have fallen down, so the wound first to be cleaned with the liquid, right? So the germs will not enter to your body. So this one is the Dettol liquid. You can also use a Savlon if it is available at your home. Then I have the second one, which is also considered as of antiseptic cream. Antiseptic means which will not spread any infection in your body. If you have a minor scratch, right, and if you are just scratching it like this, so you will see that the blood is coming up. If the microorganism from the atmosphere will enter to your body, it may give you certain infection. So to get rid of that problem, you are going to use certain creams. Like if I give an example, soframycin, right? So this is what? It is a simple kind of antiseptic cream. Then sometime it happens that while cooking, while bursting of crackers, you may get burns, daji jawai છે, right? So initial stage, what we are doing? First we are pouring water on it. After that we are applying some cream, right? So there are certain creams available in the market which is known as cream for burns. Daji gayela upar lagadwani cream, right? So that is what? Cream for burns. Now these are the things, as it is actually a candlestick. We are here just demonstrating that if anyone has got the fracture, then how it has been repaired. You may have seen certain people having a plaster on their body, maybe on legs, right, maybe on hands. That is because of the cracked bones. Yes, of course, cracked bones cannot be repaired at home, right? But still we can give certain first aid treatment at our home. Then as here you can see, there is one insect. Actually it is a reptile, right? Snake. When any insect is biting your body, maybe snake, maybe lizard, maybe bed bugs, then what will you do? So that all things we are going to study over here. So I hope now that you have understood what we are going to use for this. Okay, so first we are going to do that what if you have a fire burn, right? As you can see that here I have a one demo piece of a boy which got the fire burn over here. How we are going to do that? How we are going to cure at our home? The first one is pour a water. After that, clean it with the cotton cloth, or you can also use unused cotton. Then, as I have told you that for fire burns we have certain creams available, right? So we can apply it over here. So as I have told you that for fire burns, first we are pouring water on that wound. So here you can see that I am pouring something, that is water. So what will happen due to water? The burning sensation will become less. After that, just use the unused cotton, take it off, wipe that wound with it, so water will also be wiped out. After that, just take the cream which is for burns or burns mark. Okay, so from that take out certain cream, some amount of cream, and apply it on the wound. You will see that the person who got burned will feel better, right? So this way we can treat the burns mark at our home. Okay kids, now for the second one. Here you can see there is a mark. What is that mark of? That mark is of bruise. Bruise means if you have fallen down and you got a scratch, suppose you are cycling, you are running and you get a scratch, then how can you clean that? For that again you have to take a antiseptic liquid which is Dettol or Savlon. Open it, take in to unused cotton. First wipe that wound with that Dettol, and after that you just have to apply the antiseptic cream, right? So that person will not get any type of infection from the outside, right? So this is the first aid treatment for the bruise, or you can say small minor scratches. So here also you can see certain bite. Here you can see that it is written snake bite, but we will assume that here it is a bite of any insect. So if any insect is biting to a person, we can give the same treatment as we have given for the bluish, right? That means just clean it with the Dettol or a Savlon and apply the antiseptic cream. Now the last one, that here you can see bones. Our body has a bony system. Yeah, you can say skeletal system. If you are falling too high or very hard, or if you are meeting with an accident, sometimes it happens that you break your bones. Yes, fracture cannot be treated at home, but we can do one thing, that before taking that person to the hospital, we can cover that part of the body with certain hard portion or certain hard materials, and then just cover it with the gauze cloth. I hope you remember what is the meaning of gauze cloth. You can just tie it up, okay, and that person will get a relief. So this is the type of a first aid treatment which we can give at home. I hope you have enjoyed this.
So kids, have you learned the things regarding kit? First aid kit? I hope so you understand very nicely through first aid, through butterfly kit, right? And I hope so you get some knowledge regarding spray, insect bite, then fire burn, fracture, everything, right? So I hope so you are going to apply in your practical life. If these happens, then use it, okay? If your parents, any elders don't know the things regarding these kind of things, please tell them also, okay? So kids, I hope so you like our video. If you like our video, then like it, and with some new practical through butterfly, I'm going to explain you in next session. Okay kids, bye.